All right, all right, all right. I think today is Thursday. I'm kind of losing track. Today's Thursday, the 21st. So good morning. This is the morning update for Thursday. If you joined me yesterday, we had a pretty good stream. We had a psycho trader on who was all wrapped up in emotion, and we tried to work him through a problem trade that he had. So it was an interesting stream. We've been doing that the past 2 days. If you look in the description, you'll see a phone number that you can call in if you want to talk to me directly and get some help and walk through some trades or what have you. Feel free to take advantage of that number. And hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know when we're up. Hit the like because it helps my algorithms, and it's kind of like tipping your host. I appreciate it. So let's just get to it. Yesterday, if you're following me, you know I'm calling for a pullback. I mean, this is just too many days in a row that we're green, and it's euphoric. I mean, there's nothing supporting it. And the reason why I say it's euphoric is because if you look at the 10-year, the 10-year keeps pushing up. And really, that should be dragging text down. But everybody's kind of taken with the sensationalism of earnings and everything like that, and they're just pushing the market up. But I think that this is kind of a bull trap. And I believe that the markets are going to turn around, give us one more what the hell correction, and then turn around and we'll get our New Year's rally, or I think they call it Christmas rally a New Year's rally. So I'm looking for another correction, man. I mean, honestly, my fear is 4,100, although that's crazy aggressive right now. That's like a debacle. But I'm still thinking 4,200 is not out of the question. And I'm kind of holding that as my risk factor, like that's my exposure. But I see I got some targets. Pretty damn low, man. I mean, I could see areas of fulfillment right around there, the 4118 or so. I mean, we're going to need a major catalyst, something really, really upsetting. It could come from China. But the thing about catalysts like that is that you don't see them coming. I mean, we look at everything and you just don't see them coming. So what you have to do is just look at the market and see how it would handle a hit. Just figure it's inevitable that there's going to be some hit to the economy, some catalyst to take it down. And you say, how exposed is the market? How could it handle this hit? When it's running up like this, I'm just saying it can't really take a hit. You know, it's going to make a correction. I mean, just a healthy correction would probably be at least 100 points, and that would be healthy. Maybe 150 points. Something emotional or frightening, and then we're testing these lows. I mean, this is not stable. I mean, if you just looked at it like a structure, like a physical structure, there's no way that this can support its own weight. So boom, it's got to come down, build a little foundation, and then move back up. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at. As far as other equities, I'm not really going through them right now because it's euphoric times. If you have something you want me to look at, just let me know what the security is. And how you're trading it, whether you're trading it on daily charts or intraday or what have you, and I can give you some insight. Nothing fundamental because that takes some work, and Davey got to get paid. If you're new to this channel, this right here is the stuff I like to put away over the long term. And really, you could just buy all this stuff on dips. And I go through it from time to time. So check out some of the streams or some of the end of the day or early morning market meetings, and it'll give you some insight into it. So anyway, that's the day. And the futures look like they're pulling back, but it's not aggressive. Everything's kind of flat. I mean, you see 9 points on the S&P and The Nasdaq's down 50. Everything's really flat. So it's any man's game at the open. You can't say that we're opening down or we're opening up. We're going to open flat, dance around, and see what's going on. My bias is bearish, and I'm looking for a sell-off. I think everything is overextended right now, so I'm really, really apprehensive about any longs. I'm looking for good indications of a sell-off, or at least roll into a consolidation right now. So I'm really not looking to take longs. This is a 30-minute chart on yesterday with the Fibonacci on it. And I mean, just yesterday's retrace, 45.21 on the S&P is a good number. And I mean, this is what I'm calling on the S&P. You can consider that the behavior will be similar in all the other exchanges. Just some markets will be stronger to the downside than others, just like sometimes some markets are stronger to the upside than others. So anyway, that is my early morning spiel. I hope it's of value to you. Again, hit the subscribe and hit the bell, and hit the like. It goes a long way. I kick it off at about 9:15 these days, since I do the early morning meetings. So join me on the stream, chat, call in. We'll have a good time. I'll give you some opinion. You could give me yours, and good luck trading.